Hello everyone, so welcome to my channel again, and this is the second part of my spiritual experiences. First part is already I posted, so if you didn't check my the first that video, you check it out first. Then this spiritual experiences happened in 2024, and it happened in the span of 2 months, okay, 2 to 3 months, I guess. Yeah, in 2024, I appeared for common examination, okay, in the month of August. Okay. Platform examination, I appeared for two examinations, high secondary level and tertiary level. Okay, in the different district. It is nearly about 1.5 hours away from my home. And first exam was the location was perfect, like it was in town, so I didn't get any kind of problem. But second examination, like graduation level examination, it was the exam hall was like in a very remote area, like in a tea garden. Inside of a tree garden, there is a school. In that, I have to there like examination conducted. So I really got worried about it, how I'm going to get there. First, let me tell you, in the first exam, okay, like high secondary level examination, I got introduced to a girl. Okay, I don't know how I got attracted to girl or how she attracted to me that we became friends in the first place. Okay, we just normal chit chat around in the exam. Okay, and my name and her name is also starts from K. Okay, our initial letter is same. So and I don't know. She told me that how I'm going to connect with you next time. It means that she was asking for my number, so we exchanged number. Okay, and we got to know that the next exam, graduation level examination, is going to conduct in the like that same tea garden, inside of the tea garden. Okay, we are both going to appear in that same examination hall, right? So I really got worried that how I'm going to appear that exam, because it was so remote. I mean to say, for that, either I have to book a cab or either I had to book a hotel previous day. Okay, or nearly I had to spend 3 to 4 thousand rupees, right? And same thing I told my friend. Okay, I don't know, I'm really worried. And within that time span, like nearly that day, I was suffering from some health issues. Okay, stomach issues. It was like I, had some different kind of medicine. Okay, uh, for my period. So that's how it reacted me. Then she told me that perhaps I can help you with something. Okay, don't worry. She told me. I told it okay. And previous night I got to know that she told me that don't worry, you can come with me at my uncle house and we can both. Uh, you can both. I mean to say we can both go there. Okay. We can both live together and you can come to my uncle house. I said okay. I got relieved. Then next day I don't know what happened suddenly. My stomach was hurting a lot. I was in pain, and I really didn't believe that I can go there, okay, to appear for the examination. And I told my friend that sorry I couldn't go. You can go alone. I can't go. And she told me that no, you have to come. Don't worry. You just have to come to the bus station. You can take rest in my uncle house. Okay. Rest of the thing I will take care of it. Okay. When she said the same thing, I really got shocked. Like, how can a stranger say such things to me? I mean, to say it was just a 1 day meeting, okay? And I really got shocked. And yeah, really, I believe her statement. I went to the bus station, I went to her home, and we believe me, the kind of hospitality she uh, showed towards me and her family members are so kind, so generous, okay? And in this period, like in this time, I'm remembering a one line, one song from a movie Anjana Anjali starring Deepika Padukone, not Deepika, sorry, Ranbir Kapoor, like tu na jane aaspaas hai khuda. It means that you never know, God is around you. Okay, God is around you everywhere. Okay, so yeah, that's how I appeared for the exam. Okay, her uncle helped, okay, to reach the examination hall, and we both come there like together. Okay, and yeah, that was my first spiritual experience. Second experience was that in the month of November, after 2 months, we had to go to Puri. Okay, my whole family, like my mother, me, my cousin, and my both aunties. Okay, 5 members, and we bought the ticket for nearly about 5 to 4 months ago. We booked the ticket, and same thing happened to me like 1 week ago. I was suffering from fever. I took every medicine, but it was not worth it. And when I reached my uncle house, like my uncle house in Guwahati, so from there we had to take that train no, for Kamaikha. I mean to say Puri. So trust me, when I reached my uncle house, I was vomiting. Okay, and I thought that I will get cured, but no, I was vomiting. And trust me, like the time of the train departure was at around 8 p.m. at the night, and at the 3 p.m. I was vomiting. Okay, and I was really worried how I can go. I said my mom I can't go. I think I can't go. I really worried. I was became anxious, and my uncle said no, you can check doctor. You can I mean to say you can go for appointment. I mean for going appointment also you have to give 2 to 3 hours, right? I don't have that much time. Okay, so there was a sister who was there in my uncle's house that time, and she told that there's a doctor in the neighborhood who check from his home only. And but the problem is that was Sunday, so I don't think so he's going to check you, and perhaps I have to request him a lot. So I said him, please Didi, do something. Please request him, and yeah. So she took me to the doctor. Okay, chamber. First, he hesitated to check me, hesitated to give me treatment, but later on, he gave injections. Okay, when he got to know that there was a had a train for Puri Jagannath, so he gave me injection. He gave me some medicine. Told me that don't take any food in the train. Okay, because it was around 18 hours of train journey. We have to survive for like 18 hours. Okay, it is not a joke. Like I was suffering from some disease. Okay, and okay, let me tell you one thing that beforehand reaching my uncle house, I was chanting Hanuman Chalisa. Okay, for nearly about 11 times, and I was continuously listening to Hanuman Chalisa, and I was requesting Hanumanji, Lord Hanuman, that please save me this time. From next time, I will take care of my health. Okay, then what happened? Okay, yeah, I don't know how I survived that long, I mean 18 hours of long train journey. And the doctor also suggested me that please take only rice and plain rice and dal. Okay, so I took his advice very seriously. And trust me, when I reached Puri at around 3 a.m. in the morning, whole family, I relieved. I want to say, I prayed to Lord Jagannath that thank you so much for giving me strength, so much, belief. I reached your place, and now I'm living, and just take care of me, okay? Because I'm at your place, and trust me, when I reached the hotel, and when I reached and saw the like Lord Hanuman temple, I really feel so good about it. Like it was like I can't explain in words. Uh, it was very pure. Okay, so yeah, that's what I experienced in my life. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, and share with your friends, family, and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.